Have you ever wondered where the last Asiatic lions in the world strut their majestic manes? Welcome to a journey into the heart of India, where nature unfolds its grandeur in the most spectacular way. Nestled in the southwestern part of the vibrant state of Gujarat is the Gir Forest National Park, a sanctuary that is much more than just a protected area. It's here that the Royal Asiatic lions roam free, their roars echoing through the dense forests, their presence a symbol of pride and power. But the Gir Forest is not just about these magnificent beasts. It's a treasure trove of biodiversity, hosting a myriad of flora and fauna, some of which are as rare as the lions themselves. It's a place where every turn in the trail reveals a new surprise. Every rustle in the foliage is a whisper of the wild. In the heart of India, in Gujarat, lies this remarkable wilderness, the Gir Forest National Park. Imagine walking through a forest, brimming with life, where every rustle might be a lion's paw. Welcome to the Gir Forest, the last remaining refuge for the Asiatic lion. Located in the western state of Gujarat, India, the forest spans an area of over 1,400 square kilometers, making it one of the largest protected areas in India. The landscape of the Gir is as diverse as its inhabitants. The terrain varies from rugged hills adorned with deep valleys to vast grasslands that provide a perfect camouflage for its majestic residents. The forest is intersected by several rivers and streams, creating a unique ecosystem that supports a myriad of life forms. The Gir forest is a tropical deciduous type, which means it sheds leaves in the dry season to conserve water. It's a vibrant tapestry of teak, flame of the forest, and banyan trees that provide shelter and sustenance to over 2,500 species of fauna. The climate here is extreme, with scorching summers where temperatures can soar up to 46 degrees Celsius and chilly winters that can drop to as low as 6 degrees. But it's these harsh conditions that have shaped the resilient nature of the Gir's inhabitants. And it's not just about the lions. The Gir is a biodiversity hotspot teeming with life. Apart from the king of the jungle, it's home to leopards, hyenas, crocodiles, and over 300 species of birds. Each creature, big or small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. But the Gir Forest's most important role is as a sanctuary for the endangered Asiatic lion. Once roaming across Southwest Asia, the lion's habitat has shrunk over the centuries due to hunting and habitat loss. Today, the Gir Forest is their last remaining stronghold, and the lions have adapted remarkably well to its challenging environment. This forest is not just a haven for wildlife, but a lifeline for many endangered species. What makes the Gir Forest truly unique is its pride, the Asiatic lions. The Asiatic lion, also known as the Indian lion, is a lion subspecies that resides exclusively in the Gir Forest. These magnificent creatures are a symbol of power and majesty, commanding awe and respect from all who gaze upon them. Now, you might be wondering, how do Asiatic lions differ from their African counterparts? Well, the answer lies in their physical characteristics and behavior. Asiatic lions are slightly smaller than African lions, yet they still possess an imposing presence. One of the key identifying features of an Asiatic lion is the longitudinal fold of skin that runs along their belly, a trait absent in African lions. The males, while still possessing a mane, have less hair around their neck and chest than African lions, giving them a somewhat regal and distinguished appearance. As for their behavior, Asiatic lions are known to be less sociable than African lions. They live in smaller prides, often consisting of 2 adult females and their offspring, with males living separately and only joining the prides for mating or for a large kill. This is a stark contrast to African lions, who live in large prides with multiple males. In the sprawling expanse of the Gir Forest, these lions have adapted to a unique lifestyle. They are primarily nocturnal, preferring the cool tranquility of the night for hunting. Their diet mainly consists of chital, sambar, and nilgai, but they are also known to prey on livestock, demonstrating their adaptability. Despite being top predators, Asiatic lions are not without threats. Their survival is constantly challenged by habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. However, their indomitable spirit continues to shine through as they rule their territory with grace and might. These majestic creatures are the true kings of the Gir Forest. Their sheer strength, agility, and commanding presence make them a sight to behold, a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of the natural world. As we continue to explore the wonders of the Gir Forest, let's remember to respect and protect these magnificent beasts, for their survival is instrumental to the balance of our ecosystem. How would you feel if you woke up to find a lion in your backyard? Welcome to the everyday reality of the locals living on the periphery of the Gir Forest National Park in Gujarat, India. This is not just a wild tale from the wilderness, but a unique coexistence of humans and the majestic Asiatic lions. Living in such close proximity to these magnificent beasts might seem like a hair-raising experience to many of us. But for the locals, it's as normal as the sun rising in the east. This unique cohabitation has been shaped by years of mutual respect and understanding between the two species. Lions, being kings of the jungle, often venture into human habitations driven by curiosity or in pursuit of prey. It's not uncommon to see a lion casually strutting down the village lanes or lounging in the fields. These occasional visits might give anyone an adrenaline surge, but the locals have grown accustomed to such sights. However, this doesn't mean that the villagers take these encounters lightly. They've developed a set of unwritten rules, a code of conduct, if you will, to ensure their safety and that of the lions. They maintain a respectful distance, avoid direct eye contact, and most importantly, they do not provoke these majestic creatures. It's a delicate balance of caution and courage, respect and restraint. The locals have also embraced the role of custodians of these lions. They are often the first to respond to any distress calls from the wild and are actively involved in conservation efforts. They understand that their lives are intertwined with these lions, and their prosperity is linked to the health and well-being of these majestic beasts. This unique coexistence is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of both humans and lions. It's a fascinating dance of survival and symbiosis that continues to unfold in the heartlands of Gujarat. The locals here have learned to respect and live in harmony with these mighty creatures. This incredible relationship between man and beast is an inspiring example of coexistence for the rest of the world. But the survival of these lions hasn't been without its challenges. The Asiatic lions of the Gir Forest National Park are a beacon of hope for successful conservation efforts. Yet, they have faced a myriad of difficulties along their journey. The primary challenge has been habitat loss, which has resulted in fragmented populations. The expansion of human settlements, agriculture, and infrastructure development has significantly shrunk the lion's natural habitat. This has not only isolated the lion population, but also increased the potential for human-lion conflicts. Furthermore, poaching has been a considerable concern. Although strict laws and regulations are in place to deter this illegal activity, the demand for lion parts in black markets has continued to pose a threat to these majestic creatures. To tackle these challenges, a multi-pronged conservation strategy has been implemented. This includes habitat restoration and protection, community involvement, and strict law enforcement. The Forest Department has been working tirelessly to monitor and protect the lion population, using technology such as satellite tracking to keep a close watch on their movements. Community involvement has played a pivotal role in conservation efforts. By educating local communities about the importance of preserving wildlife and their habitats, a sense of ownership and responsibility towards these animals has been instilled. This has significantly reduced instances of poaching and human-lion conflicts. Moreover, strict laws and regulations have been enforced to prevent illegal activities such as poaching and habitat destruction. Offenders are subjected to severe penalties, serving as a deterrent to potential poachers. Despite these efforts, the road to conservation is long and fraught with challenges. Diseases, climate change, and human-lion conflicts continue to pose threats to the Asiatic lion population. However, with continued efforts and the cooperation of local communities, these challenges can be overcome. Despite the challenges, the lion population has been steadily increasing, a testament to successful conservation efforts. The Gir Forest National Park is a testament to India's commitment to conservation. This remarkable sanctuary, located in the western state of Gujarat, is home to the majestic Asiatic lion. Once on the brink of extinction, these regal creatures have rebounded in numbers, thanks to the concerted conservation efforts of the Indian government and the local communities. These lions, unique to the Gir Forest, coexist in a delicate balance with the surrounding human settlements, a testament to the harmony that can be achieved between mankind and nature. And while the park is a fair distance away from the nearest human habitation, there are instances of lions venturing into these areas, further underscoring the need for continued conservation efforts. The story of Gir and its lions is not just about a species or a forest. It's about the resilience of nature, the possibility of coexistence, and the power of conservation. The story of Gir and its lions is a story of resilience, coexistence, and the power of conservation. It is a story that deserves to be shared and celebrated.